Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we will continue our same chapter, that is pencil software. Creating a new project. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus N. And second method is click on the file menu and select the new option. A new pencil document will be open. Frames. Frames in pencil can be defined as the little rectangular cells which appears on the timeline. Frames control the duration of the movies. Playhead containing an image, selected frame and empty frame. Control panel. There are 4 control panel buttons present on the right side of the timeline, which are first one is play button, loop button, sound button and FPS. FPS stands for frames per second. You can draw image according to your desire. If you want to import any image, then you can import any image also. In this, you can see I'm draw here. You can use any pencil, any brush according to you, and then draw. Key. A key is a frame in which we can define change in the object for an animation. The change may be resizing, rotating, adding, moving or deleting the object. Inserting key. To insert a new key, we have to follow the some steps, or we have to use just add key button. You see on the screen plus icon. This is known as add key button. With the help of this button, you can easily add the keys. Deleting keys. To delete any key, you just click on the remove key button. Minus button is the remove key button. Onion skin. Onion skin is a technique that allows users to see several keys frames at once. It displays the previous keys frame image in a semi-transparent image. This way a user can see where to place an image for the next key frame. You just see I'm using another key. You can also edit. And after complete your drawing, you go to the edit option and copy, and then click on the next key and paste it. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl plus C or for copy and Ctrl plus V for paste. I am pasting it on the timeline. This is the timeline. If you want to add seconds, then you can add seconds. If you want to see how it's looking, then click on the play button. You can see this is the play button. When you click on the play button, it will be play. Play button is used to play or stop the animations from the timeline palette. We also use here loop button. Loop button is used to repeat the animations infinite number of times. To enable or disable the loop, click on the loop button in the timeline. This is the timeline. Control panel works on the timeline. Sound button. If you want to add sound, then you can also add the sound. You just select the all also and you paste on the timeline. Wait, its processing is going on. Select it and then add the new key. After that, paste it. It will be pasted in all keys. Add more keys and paste it. Ctrl plus V you can also use. Wait a while, it's working, processing is going on. You just add more keys and paste it. If you want to see the preview, then you click on the play button. FPS, frames per second. You can set the animation speed by clicking on the FPS button. See, right hand side. You can increase or decrease the seconds according to you. See here, by default it's 12. You can increase or decrease it. If you want to use the color in this image, you can also use the color. There are so many colors. If you want to select any color, you can select and use it. You select it and copy it. I am doing here just copy and paste. You can use shortcut keys or you can use the options from the edit menu. You just add more keys and then paste it. If you want to draw here more image, then you can draw. If you want to add background here, then you can also add the background. You can see, if you want to change curve it, suppose I am changing it with the help of this option, you can change it. These are the different images on the different keys. You know very well, when a series of images appear one after another in a fixed interval of time, then it displays some movement. It's not magic. This can be termed as animation, and it involves a series of still images, usually painted or sketched, displayed in a rapid sequence. Animations in Pencil are created with the help of frames by changing the contents of successive frames. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, fade it or out, and change color or shape using animation. In by frame animation, we create an image in every frame. You just see, I'm just adding it with the help of Control plus C copy and Control plus V paste, same as I'm doing it in the full, or you can say complete timeline. Modify curve is used to move the nodes of the drawing. By pressing the shift key, you can select several nodes at the same time. And this tool works only the vector layer. Hope you understand. This is all for today. Thanks.